So guys, I just got this Intex Tacoma K2 inflatable kayak at Letgo for $100. I've been looking around on Amazon, eBay, you can say Walmart or anything in, I'm talking about like on the web. I just can't find anything less. You know, you most likely see around 300 to like the lowest you can ever get is around maybe a 299 or something like that, or even Macari, some of them selling it for around $300 or 250. But anyway, I just looked it up and I just got this, and for $100, I mean, it comes with almost everything, and I mean, I'm just surprised that I actually found this for less. So anyway, it comes with everything. Everything here is fine. So if you do get it used, make sure you check it. I mean, pump all the air, making sure there's no leak or anything like that. But for my impression, having it, you know, looking at it and everything, I was surprised how the quality of this inflatable kayaks. So I mean, it comes with everything already, ready to go in a bag. I mean, you know, for less than you can even imagine. You can actually put two people in this one. So inflatable, pumping this up is not really an issue. Actually, the stock, the pump that come with it, it's not even that bad by pumping it all up. So I was thinking about using the electric motor or stuff like that, but I was just like, you know what, let me go ahead and see. But I'm surprised how the pump works.
Hopefully there's no alligator here. I think that's fine. Ain't gonna go nowhere. Wow. Oh, wow. 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 Do not try this at home. God. Woo. All right. I got in the middle. Wow. So I have to like start off from the front. But let's see. It's comfortable. What do you think? Huh? It's nice out here. Yeah. So like I said, if you find one like this for $100, it's totally worth it. I would not, you know. It's portable, it's easy, even the pump is not even that bad. You know, you can actually buy the electric pump, but this one right here, you don't really need to. So, wow. Now here I'm in the middle of the lake. Wow. It's good. So if there's more room, you can actually put two people in here. And I didn't really pump it all the way. I just want to see how it works. You can see here. Wow. Very interesting.
So I'm surprised with this Intex brand. I mean, for inflatable kayak, it's not bad, you know. And it's very light. I mean, it's just like I felt like I'm in a carbon fiber kayak. I mean, that's how I felt like. I mean, I actually rode in a carbon fiber kayak before, but for my thing, it's all about portability, and also, guys, I want to able to carry this whatever I go with me. I mean, I just want to put it in a bag and pump it up and ready to go. I don't have to put it top of my truck or my car. All I have to do is just put it in the trunk and I'm good to go. And especially when you're done kayaking, you're tired. And most likely, some of those kayaks are, even though they're plastic, they're heavy. And I also want to, I want to ride my scooter and my electric bicycle, or riding my one wheel, or maybe I'm just an electric skateboard and I just want to have a bag with me to carry. And I just put my kayak in there and I'm good to go. So anyway, look it up. If you get it for $100 or less, you get a better deal. Hey, go get it. The quality of it is pretty good.